Hey, welcome to Math 152 Summer Edition, Online Edition, Calculus 2. I'm Scott Smart and I'll be hosting your show. So I guess you probably already figured out how to get into WAMAP if you're here, and you've already figured out how to click on something and watch a video. And this is just a brief introduction to what the syllabus says. Prerequisites C or better in Calc 1. Here's the WAMAP code stuff, but you're probably already there. My name is Scott Smart, National Board Certified Teacher. And there's my email. We're going to start the class with just the last section of Volume 1 of the book, and then we're going to go to Volume 2, which is mostly what Calculus 2 is. Here are our course outcomes, which is basically doing a lot of integrals and applications of integrals. That's what we're going to be doing. There is homework to do. The homework is not graded. There is practice homework in WAMAP, and then there's some problems from the book that you can work on. And when you work on those problems and you have questions, you should participate in the discussion forums. You either ask questions, you provide resources to help other people, or you just answer their questions. If you're asking questions in the discussion, I might be answering them privately to you, but I expect others to chip in too. And your participation in discussions is worth 5% of your grade. There's also going to be 6 quizzes and then one getting started quiz. Those are worth 25% of the grade. You will see those in WAMAP. There are 7 written assignments called step by steps. Those are worth 10% of your grade. You'll see those in the directions, the instructions for each week. It's either 1 or 2 pages. You will probably write your answers down, take a picture, and send me the pictures of your work. These are what you might think of as formal sets or of homework. But these are graded. There's a thing called late passes in WAMAP, which lets you extend a deadline by 24 hours. There will be 3 tests that you're going to be doing, week 3, week 5, and week 8. You'll have 48 hours to complete each test. Those tests are each worth 20% of your grade. Here's the grading scale. A whole bunch of information on disability accommodations, conduct, expectations, and all that stuff. Stuff about tutoring and getting help, which might look a little different since we're online, but there is tutoring available through the Student Center. There is more information on Whatcom's COVID-19 page. Obviously, we are affirmative of inclusion in this class, and we don't expect any kind of misconduct. If you find any, please let me know, let the college know. There are resources. Please get a hold of me. I did not correct an email address, but you will see that in your syllabus will be the right email address. And here is the last page is the calendar, which tells you what we're studying and where it is and what the date is. And that's all we got. That is my introduction to the syllabus.